leaving Food Line. And what is now a winter storm? Let's take a look at this. Beckley, West Virginia, in the wintertime. This is amazing. Out of all things, people say that we wasn't going to get up to 10 inches. We wasn't going to get up to 8 inches. Look at that snow. How can you deny that? It's still coming. It won't be coming until Sunday afternoon. And it's going to be like this for as long as we possibly may see throughout this whole weekend. And you enjoying the snow, Dad?
Oh yeah, this is lovely.
This is beautiful. We're going to take a trip down and go see how these people on these streets, the traffic is backed up so far. And it's wild because people are still coming out. Well, the people that are out can't go back in because they can't get on. Oh, yeah. This is snow beyond the expectations of what I thought.
Take a picture of this truck. Watch this as a
yeah, I know. Another one.
Oh shit. Yeah. I was gonna say if this person needed help pushing, would it push him out the way?
Oh, the truck up there?
Yeah. He gonna get a ticket.
You stuck. Got 18 wheelers. Can't get out. Woo!
Oh my dear God, what?
Yeah, he's stuck. I'm sorry. Sorry to say, he not moving. Oh yeah, he's stuck. Look at that. Traffic so far back. He just left his truck there. Let's go to CC, see how they doing. I ain't been there in a while.
Yeah, he's stuck. He got stuck in that thing.
His truck gonna be there too. That thaw out. Oh man. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Hold on, I want to go film how far back this traffic is. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at the snow plow. All right, the worst obstacle has yet to come. The hill. I'm making my way up. Making my way up. All right. Here's the hard part. Well, I'm down. I'm down.
Oh.
That didn't work out. I'm going down. All right. I'm back up.
Look how fast this, the part we were camping when we came.
I'm back up. Success. Yes. All right. Still got to get in the house though. Look at this. Look at my feet. Stuck in the snow. Ooh. Covered. 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 Look at the snow is bringing the head of that snowman down.
Now get the penguin.